Hello everyone, I'm Sashank and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about testing the GoPro Hero 9 Black along with the 3.5mm mic adapter that I purchased from a website called as imastudent.com, and I would say that it was a super fast delivery and I really like the services. Apparently they are also providing rental services right now, so I hope they're going to be good, because I am going to rent a few products from them. And yeah, so no worries, I'll just put the link down in the description so you guys can go and check them out. So now we're coming to the audio testing of the mic adapter. So what I've done is I've also purchased another external mic that is from Amazon, and I've connected near the front part of the helmet. So this is how it sounds as of now. My visor is also closed, and this is how it sounds. So all the settings and the connections and all of that, I will show you a small gist of it once I get back home, right? So that you have an idea of it, right? And I'll catch you guys at the studio. So when I'm talking about studio, it's nothing that you have in your mind, right? It's not that big and all that. It's just my directional mic here, right? So this is a place where my audio gets recorded. You can wind the 2-meter length all around your helmet, so you cannot just directly connect it inside the 3.5mm mic adapter that you get from GoPro. You need the TRS connector, right? So once you get the TRS connector, all that you have to do is put the 3.5mm through the TRS connector. So this is the whole setup, and then this you can either mount it here, right, or you can just get some double-sided tape and stick it to the side here. As of now, I haven't yet got the mount from Ulanzi, right? As you can see on the right of the screen, I haven't yet got that. So once I get that, I'll make another update. So as you can see, I have the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Alright, so it comes with a front display, and all that you've got to do is open this and connect the C-type adapter into the slot that they've given. And then once you switch on the GoPro, so as you can see here, you need to swipe down, go to your preferences, and then you apparently have to go to the mod section. So once you go to the mods, and under the media mod, you can see that it's in standard mic, right? So since you've connected an external mic to this, it displays as a standard mic. So I'll just remove this cable and show you. So once you remove this, it shows not applicable, right? The audio will be recorded through the inbuilt mics that you get along with the GoPro. But if at all you need to record from an external source, or you are recording through an external mic, then you need a 3.5mm mic adapter. So once you connect that, as you can see, the NA turns to standard mic. So with all that being said, these are the connections that I wanted to show you guys, and you did hear the audio right at the beginning of the video. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching.